Top 5 money-making apps you need to download now. Apps that can make you money? It sounds too good to be true, but money-making apps do actually exist. While these apps won't make you rich, they can earn you some respectable pocket money or pay for your monthly mobile phone bill. From market research apps to mobile advertising apps to sharing economy apps, you can download one or many of these money-making apps on your smartphone for you to engage with as you commute or have some downtime. After all, every dollar counts. Here are 5 ways to make money using apps. 1. Money App. The Money app, available for iOS and Android, is a market research app that earns you rewards for completing tasks, which include offering opinions, playing games, checking store displays, mystery shopping, testing services and participating in free trials. You open an account on the Money app and start completing tasks to accumulate rewards, which you can, in turn, redeem for cash using a PayPal account. The beauty of this app is that you can get paid within 2 to 3 working days of redeeming rewards, which is unusual in the world of market research apps that typically pay once a month or don't offer cash rewards at all. What's more, the app scores highly, 4.8 out of 5, on both Google Play and iTunes. One reviewer wrote, "I got my first $10 within 5 days. That's pretty good for not getting up off the couch." Couch potatoes, rejoice, you now have options. 2. iPoll. The iPoll app, available for iOS and Android, is a customized market research app that allows you to earn money through taking market surveys, writing down diaries of dairy consumption over 3 days, for example, and completing missions around retail, for example going to the grocery store. You register and are asked some basic information, such as your preferences and consumer habits, to determine your fit for missions, and then you receive alerts when there are new missions available based on your preferences and location. The beauty of this particular market research app is that it's customized, so you get alerts for tasks and missions that are suited to your interests and what you may actually enjoy. Users like iPoll, too. It's rated 4 out of 5 stars on iTunes, and less glowing 3.1 out of 5 on Google Play. One reviewer wrote, "I like that there's usually not any technical difficulties or glitches and that the selection of topics are interesting and fun. Most of the time, surveys are easy to start and complete, also they're not exceedingly long. For each survey, mission or diary completed, you earn rewards that can be redeemed for gift cards, or you can cash out using PayPal. You need only have accrued $10 to do so. Another perk, you're automatically entered into a quarterly sweepstakes to win $10,000 in cash." 3. FOP. FOP is a money-making app, available for iOS and Android, that allows both professional and amateur photographers to make extra money selling photos taken on a smartphone. It's pretty genius. Basically, it's a crowdsourcing platform for brands and advertising and marketing agencies to find and purchase images from FOP's registry of more than 2.5 million photographers around the world. You register an account, upload your high-quality photos with clear tags, and the photos get rated by the registered community. The higher the rating, the higher the photo's visibility. For each sale, you earn $5, and you can earn up to $100 per sale. There are also missions, where brands and agencies will make specific requests for images. And recently, those missions have expanded to include videos. The app is well rated on both iTunes, 4.3 out of 5, and Google Play, 3.8 out of 5. One reviewer wrote, "I love this app. It's entertaining, a new place to share my photos and I have the opportunity to earn money from them." 4. SlideJoy. SlideJoy, available for Google Play, pays users for their lock screens. Once it's installed on your phone, you'll start seeing various ads featuring news or advertisers on your lock screen. You can swipe left to learn more, swipe up for additional ads or swipe right for the home screen. The good news is you earn passive income regardless of whether or not you engage with the ads. Just think about how many times a day you have to unlock your phone. If you wanted to earn more, you could do other things in the app, such as surveys. You can choose to be paid via Square Cash or PayPal, Select normal mode, or you can donate your earnings to charity. The catch is that when you first sign up, you have to wait approximately 3 months before you can cash out. After that, it's a monthly cash-out payment. It's rated a highly respectable 4.3 out of 5 stars on Google Play, and one reviewer wrote about her experience, "Who doesn't love free money?" 4 stars only because they changed the cash-out options. One downside, SlideJoy has a rather steep 20% cash-out fee. 5. User Feel. The User Feel app, available for iOS and Android, allows you to participate in usability tests, meaning you get paid to visit and explore new websites, perform various simple tasks on the site and offer recorded feedback and critiques. There is a helpful video on the website that provides a clear illustration of what is expected. Each test lasts 10 to 20 minutes, and you're paid $10 a test in cash via PayPal or Payoneer. One of the standout features of this app is that you take an initial qualifications test, which records your voice and your screen as you walk through given tasks. This is a version of what you'll be doing, but it's unpaid and meant to not only test whether the app is working, but also to give you a rating by the User Feel team. The better your rating, the more tests that will be assigned to you. The app scored 3.2 out of 5 on Google Play. One User Feel reviewer wrote, "I had few issues uploading my video, but their support team was able to help me recover it, and I got paid for my test. Very easy way to make some extra money. I can't wait to do another test." Some of the reviews mentioned the app crashing as the user was trying to upload a test video. However, the User Feel support team was responsive in trying to resolve these issues. Other popular money-making apps I didn't cover yet include. So take your pick based on your interests and start making money in your spare time. Or pick more than one of these money-making apps and start earning more today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share and comment down below for topic.